In this video, I'll cover how to backup and restore your firewall configuration, as well as how to reset the firewall to factory defaults with the same or a different language if necessary. The backup and restore tools are found in the System menu. You can either backup on demand or perform backups on a daily, weekly, or monthly schedule. You first select where you want your backup stored, either locally on the device, which is convenient for a quick on-demand backup, but not ideal as part of a scheduled backup strategy in the event your device becomes completely inaccessible. Using FTP or email is a much better choice as part of an ongoing backup strategy. FTP settings are entered right here on the screen, while email settings are set up in the notification screen where you set your mail server, authentication, and email address options. Regardless of how you save your backups, you can give the file name a prefix to easily differentiate them based on the device, the particular configuration, or any other criteria you choose at the time. The last backup is always available here for you to download. As you can see, the file name includes the prefix I assigned, along with other information, including the serial number of the firewall, along with the date and time of the backup. The file sizes are also very reasonable, making storage and management easy. To restore a backup, first choose a backup file off your computer, then click Upload and Restore. Note that restoring from a backup will override your current configuration and will restart the firewall. And of course, if your network settings will change as part of loading the backup configuration, you may need to reconfigure other computers, such as the computer you're using to connect to the firewall. Click OK to continue, and the restoration and reboot process will commence, which will take at least a few minutes. Once it's complete, you can refresh the page and log into your restored configuration. If you need to reset a system to factory default settings and start from scratch, or need to change the language used in the admin console, you can do that from the firmware screen. If you want to change the language, select it from the available options and select Apply. If you just want to restore your firewall to factory defaults using the existing language, click the gear icon next to the firewall version you wish to restore. Take note that either option will completely erase your firewall configuration settings and restore the device to factory defaults, so it's highly recommended you take a backup of your configuration before you proceed, as we outlined earlier in this video.